All right, so those were the top headlines, and let's get started with what's happening with the U.S. Federal Reserve. Now, the Federal Reserve's independence survives. President Trump has the scare of President Trump for now. But the fight isn't over. The U.S. Supreme Court has handed Trump a defeat on the central bank. But the win for the Federal Reserve comes with fine print. In a 5-4 ruling on Monday, the top court blocked Trump's attempt to remove Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, while a legal challenge proceeds. Now, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote the majority opinion, joined by conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh and the court's 3 liberal justices, Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, and Ketanji Brown Jackson. Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch dissented. Trump became the first president in the Fed's 112-year history to attempt firing a sitting governor, this over allegations of mortgage fraud predating her time at the Fed, which Cook has firmly denied. But Robert didn't shut the door. He said Cook is entitled to notice and some opportunity to respond before termination. That is not a full trial, but just a fair process. Translation is, Trump can try again and properly this time. The court explicitly avoided ruling on whether the mortgage allegations themselves hold up. The bigger story is the carve-out. On the very same day, the court overturned the 90-year-old Humphreys executor precedent and let Trump fire FTC Commissioner Rebecca Slaughter without cause, stripping independence from other agencies. The Fed alone got special protection, with the court ruling it sits on different constitutional footing given its unique structure and the role in the economy. Why does this matter for markets? Well, because critics say Trump's real motivation was Cook's resistance to the rate cuts he's been demanding. Treasury yields on the dollar have been jittery all year on fears of political pressure over rates. A captured Fed risk, higher long-term yields, and inflation expectations spiraling. Investors price in control, not credibility. So for now, Cook stays. Kevin Walsh has already taken over the Fed chair, and Trump has 2 governors of his own on the 7-member board. The institutional war over America's monetary policy is far from finished. Now it has just moved back to the courts.